Hi, I'm Terrell Suggs for PETA. Once I saw what they do to the animals, to get the fur, it just seemed cruel and evil, and a lot of people don't know exactly what people do to get the fur from these animals, and the animals don't have a voice. So, I've seen a lot of other athletes getting involved, and I really wanted to get involved with it. It's evil. I couldn't bear to watch it. I hit people for a living, and even I couldn't bear just to handle the cruelty to these animals. It's horrible. If you can endure through 10 seconds of the video, you gotta watch it, and I just don't think a whole lot of people is aware of what's going on and how people actually get these furs. I think if people knew just how cruel this thing is, they wouldn't support something. Like, I could never, ever support anything that just seems so evil. I think people just need to be aware exactly what goes on to get the furs, and we can change a lot of people's mind about fur. To learn more about how you can help animals, go to PETA.org.